Hey there, here is Thomas from the presentation, and I'd like to show you how easy it is to create guided tour for your web with Intro Tour tutorial plugin for WordPress. As an example, I've chosen this beautiful animal shelter project, so let's start with choosing Intro Tours and create new from the top admin bar and adding a first step. And invite visitors for the guided tour. And add a next step after. There we want show user the mission of this shelter. So we want direct the user towards this element. So we choose it and type it to the second step. And we want a tooltip on the top. Okay, let's continue with the next step. And let's ask the user or invite him to support us if he likes our mission. And we will type next step to this section. And we keep going with the next step, where we would like to ask user to join our newsletter. To enable user interacting with the highlighted element, we need to toggle the interaction option. And now he can write his email and subscribe. In the next step, we would like to introduce our brand new service, adoption animals from our shelter. So let's write some text and type another step to this column. In this column, the user can open and close these subsections. So again, we would like to enable it during the tour. So we toggle on the interaction option. Next one, actually let's redirect to another page. By the way, this feature is available just in the Pro version. And here we want to show user all our beautiful animals from our shelter and offer it for adoption. And next, we want to invite him to contact us or visit us by pointing towards the contact page. So we just choose the contact menu element. Let's put the tooltip on the bottom. And here we go. We've just built very easily our first tour, and we are ready to final touch by exiting to the admin board. And let's enable the tour, and let's change the look a bit. So let's choose the theme. In the Pro version we have 5 themes, in the free version we have 2. And let's change also the accent color to be in line with the accent color of the web page. Okay, and now we will choose how we want tour to start. So we can choose that it starts automatically, but just for very first visit of the particular user. And we want to also start tour when the user press the how it works button on the home page. So let's choose the custom selector as a trigger object, and let's choose the button via our front-end builder easily by click on it, saving changes and redirecting to admin board. So now we see it's chosen. Here we can see all steps we have built with the front-end builder. Okay, I think we are ready. Let's view the tour. And because I've already visited this site, tour didn't start automatically. But if I'm a very first time on this website, it would start. So we choose the second trigger by pressing the button. And you can see we have a different look with this beautiful orange color, and also the style is different because we have chosen different theme. User can write his email address and subscribe, also interact with this accordion element, and he is also correctly redirected to detail adoption page where he can see these beautiful animals. And in the end he is directed towards our contact page. So it was easy. We have a beautiful intro tour. So give it a try and download free version of Intro Tour tutorial plugin from WordPress.org or go for pro version at deeppresentation.com. See you, ciao!